it's Rainy. How are you? I had so much fun doing that fashion show the other day. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Well, do you ever just feel like singing sometimes? And you just walk around, la-di-da, la-di-da, just singing. I do that a bunch, and my friends say, "Shut up, Rainy," 'cause they're meanies, and they don't like the way I sing. And you know what? When they do that, I just say, "I don't care." And I go right up to them, and I sing even louder. And then they walk away, and they get all mad, and they say, "Shut up, Rainy, shut up, Rainy." It's so funny, 'cause they don't mean it. They're not really meanies. They're just silly. So I've just felt like singing tonight. And I don't know if people like the way I sing or not. And I don't care. I just want to sing. So I'm going to sing. And if you don't like it, you can turn the video off. That's all. It's very simple. Okay, but I do hope you like it. Okay, wait a minute. This is called... Oh, and I'm not going to use any, like, keyboards or anything. I'm just going to sing it. I think they call it Rockefeller. Okay? And this is by the Carpenters. And it's called Close to You. Okay. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you.